Don't scroll away. What if the most unforgettable person in the room was not the loudest, but the one whose kindness silently sensed every life she touched? This is the story of a woman whose wisdom became her greatest beauty. Her name is Momita. Momita never sought attention. She carried herself with quiet confidence, a gentle smile, and a heart filled with compassion. Her calm presence brought peace, while her thoughtful words inspired people to see life with hope and purpose. She believed that true knowledge should never be kept to oneself. Every lesson she learned became a light she shared with others. Her curiosity pushed her to grow every day, while her kindness made everyone around her feel valued and understood. What made Momita truly remarkable was only her intelligence. It was the warmth of her heart. She faced every challenge with patience, remained humble throughout every success, and encouraged others to believe in themselves, even when they could see their own potential. Her gentle spirit, graceful nature, and quiet determination left a lasting impression. Wherever she went, she proved that real beauty comes from wisdom, kindness, and the courage to make a difference without asking for recognition. Today, Momita is more than just a name. She is a symbol of grace, wisdom, compassion, and inner strength. Remember this: the people who shine the brightest are often the ones who never ask to be seen. They simply leave a light in every heart they touch. Perhaps one day your story will inspire the world the way Momita's does.